I first want to thank Google for providing me this opportunity to talk to you about a new technology in tutoring called the Lightboard. The Lightboard is important because the eyes have it. You have direct face contact in the presentation, and you'll see it in a minute when I present a short video. Here's how it works. I'm writing behind the Lightboard. It's picked up by a camera. There's the opportunity to merge digital inputs via a video switcher. There's a confidence monitor, and we developed, and you'll see it, a new technique of green screening like the weatherman, but we're green screening from behind. So the image is in front of us, not behind us. Versatile uses include text, graphics, and you can read all that, and even conflict resolution. Here's the example we're going to do today. 4 cases. Note the indexing, and you'll notice that I make a mistake in the video. It's like, where is Waldo? You find it. You can see the functions in red, map.addLayer and convolve. So now we'll run the video. Welcome to the Tutor. We are going to use the Lightboard to illustrate tutoring in G. Welcome to Switch. Here we see the index 0 for San Francisco Bay, 1 for smooth San Francisco Bay, edges of San Francisco Bay, and smooth edges of San Francisco Bay. And we can see the processing associated with each one. For example, case 2, you can see that we are smoothing, convolving the original image, and then adding it to the map. And now we're going to run this piece of code and see what it looks like. Okay, let's run this program. And we can see the results. There they are. Let's look at this in more detail. And what's really interesting are the edges. So here's San Francisco edges, and you can see the currents, but actually you can see them smoothed out much better here. This is a quick introduction to Lightboard editing.
How did you get the code editor to have a black background? Can we do that in Earth Engine yet?
Well, that was provided by a software engineer originally when I was talking to them at AGU, but I went and used Inspector, and that's where we actually key out. It's called Chromakey. It's been around since the 1950s, and we're chroma keying out in front rather than behind like the weatherman does. And we can actually also look at images and render them opacity about 85%, and then we can circle from behind as well. I don't have time to show all the different examples, obviously, in 1 minute. This is a real challenge, to create a 1-minute tutorial that does coding, results, and interpretation. And I'm looking forward to doing a lot more of these. So come and ask me questions. We're building Lightboards. We're starting to build them really cheaply. They usually cost about $3,000, and we're now down to about $100.